Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get this look and kind of chit chat with you guys and give you a little bit of a life update. So if you want to see how I got this look and to know a little bit more about me, then just keep watching. Hey guys, I have you extremely zoomed in because I'm going to start off with eyes today, and if my brows look crazy, it's because I haven't filled them in yet. This is just kind of like a last minute impulse to film when I got home from work for you guys. So yeah, today we're going to start off with the eyes. So off camera, I've just carved out my eyebrows and primed my lids using the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 2 as always. So for eyes today, I'm going to be dipping into this bad boy. This is the volume 3 of the Norvina collection, and this is the only one from the collection that I own. These are her Pro Pigment palettes. I have dipped into it a couple times previously, but never on camera. And I like it because it's not wearable. I know this isn't wearable, but to me, out of the three, this is the most wearable. And of course, the packaging is stunning. I'm obsessed with the little butterflies. I don't know, everything about this is so cute, and it's something different for Anastasia. So yeah, I'm really excited to dip into it today. I also wanted to mention that the shades do not have names. They are lettered and numbered into rows, A, B, C, D, E, because it's supposed to have more of a professional vibe, and that's why they're larger as well, with larger pan sizes. And I'm pretty sure all of these are pigments, pressed pigments, but I could be wrong. Correct me in the comments if I am. So yeah, I'm going to be dipping into this shade here, E2. It's a very beautiful burgundy shade. And I'm just going to be patting this shade a little bit lower than my natural crease. And I'm just manipulating it into the shape that I want to create. Now that that's laid and I look even crazier, I'm going to go into A5 and this beautiful red in C2. By the way, you guys, I'm using the same brush as last time. It's just a 131 Luxie angled brush. I'm pretty sure I got it in a BoxyCharm. But I'm just taking my time and packing it on top of the last shade. I'm just going to be taking a Makeup Shack T87 and blending those two shades together. I have no idea what kind of look I'm going to create today. And sometimes things can get splotchy real fast with pigments, pressed pigments. Next, I'll be picking up the shade E4, this beautiful pastel yellow. And I'm just placing that on top of the last shades that we laid. This is a Moda Pro Detail Brush. I got this in my BoxyCharm as well. You get a ton of brushes in BoxyCharm. Now with that yellow laid down, I'm going to add more of A5 and C2 back into the crease so we don't lose it before we blend. I'm going to go back in with a little bit more of that yellow shade, E4. So I'm going to take a MUA professional brush. It's clean, it's just a small little blending brush, and blend out that yellow shade. And this is kind of why I haven't filled in my brows yet, because I take it all the way up and blend into my brow. Next, I'll be cutting my crease using, again, the P. Louise base in a Crown Chisel Shadow Brush. One cut crease done, I'm going to do the other one off camera and I'll be right back. Now that I've cut my crease, I'm going to take this shade here, which is E3, on a Zoeva 227 brush. And now I'm going in with this shade brush from Moda Pro and just getting right into, this is what I'm talking about with the pressed pigments, they get real pigmented real fast. Right into that cut crease. And then I'm going to blend E2 into that peachy shade, or try my best since these are pressed pigments. Then I'll be dipping into this shimmer shade here in D5. I'm going to pop this on the inside. Oh, that's so pretty. I'll focus on blending it in with the peachy shade later. First, I just want to lay it down. Then I'm going to use my finger and blend it where it meets the peachy shade. Then I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara, and I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. Okay, you guys, I'm back and I applied lashes off camera. These are the Batty Bee lashes in the style Batty, and I forgot how much I love these. So let's get started on the face. I'm first going to prep my lips using the Laneige Sleeping Care Lip Sleeping Mask in the scent Vanilla. So yes, you can use this as a mask and sleep in it, but I wear it all day every day because I love it so much and it's so hydrating. I'm just applying this with a little Luxie brush. For primer, I'll be going in using the Laura Mercier Radiance Primer. So what's up, you guys? What have you guys been up to? I'm going to give you a quick little life update on me. So I've been working a lot. So during the week, I have my daytime job where I do insurance now. It's like my busy season for clients because it's homecoming time. People are getting senior pictures, fall family pictures, you name it. So I've been booked and busy. And then during the week, I also am trying really hard to do a ton of YouTube videos. So for you guys, I'm gonna go in with a MAC Coconut Fix Plus. And LJ's only day off is Sunday, so I kind of like, well, he has Monday off, but I'm at work. So I like to spend my Sundays with him and family. I decided to throw my hair up really quick because it was getting to be too much. I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Sand. I'm almost out of this. My favorite foundation, I'm going to have to restock up onto the NARS. Oh, am I out of this? The NARS All Day Radiant. It just matches my tone so well and I love the formula. But yeah, so that's what I've been up to for a majority. And spending time with my newborn baby sister. And then my dad also just had his a really big birthday. So we've been celebrating that. And my brother's wife just announced that she's pregnant again. So there's a ton of things happening in this season. But fall makeup and looks are my favorite. So I definitely need to fit filming in there, which is what I'm doing now. But I just kind of wanted to have a chill sit down video and talk to you guys and just like do a full beat glam look because I haven't been lately. I haven't been wearing makeup at all between work and everything else. I just don't have time in the morning and I miss it. Also, my cat, Colonel, the one you guys met in my latest decluttering video. So we took him to the vet for his regular checkup and he was actually diagnosed with diabetes. So now we have to give him insulin twice a day. He's such a chill, big, calm guy that I just pull up the back of his neck and give it to him that way, kind of like where the mama kitty would pick up like kittens, and so he doesn't feel a thing and he doesn't mind it. We noticed something because he was gaining weight he was losing weight pretty quickly, and he's naturally a big boned cat. So we were concerned and they did blood work and they found out that he had diabetes, which was so random. Then I'll be going in with Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Medium. So yeah, he's doing much better. He doesn't seem to be in any pain at all, so that's a blessing. But if you guys didn't know, I have a lot of animals actually with health problems. All of our animals but one are rescues because I live out in the country and so we get a lot of drop-offs, unfortunately. As I've said before, we live on a farm, so animals are a big part of our life. But we have a rescue beagle. He's about 9 years old now, and from prior abuse, he is epileptic. So we have to give him a pill 5 times a day. I think it's 5, if not more. Otherwise, he will seize. So yeah, we're all just a mess over here, but we're having the time of our lives. Oh, also, do you guys want any Halloween looks? Because I can definitely do that for you. I know when I first started my makeup Instagram, that was a really big part of my page. I've done a ton of stuff, so let me know if that's something you guys would be into, and then what would you like to see from me. I did also just order the new Carly Bible palette that got leaked by Dillard from Anastasia. I said it in my declutter video, but I love Carly Bible. I love her personality. I love how sweet and down to earth she is, so I'm always going to support whatever she comes out with. So I did purchase that. And she just does so much good for the world with so many charities. So I did purchase that, and I can do a video on that or a look if you guys want to see that. So definitely let me know. Anastasia has been putting out palettes like crazy. I can't keep up. I love seeing looks and different artists create different things with this palette, so yeah, I don't mind that she's pumping out so much products. And then there's going to be a ton of holiday releases coming very soon. Then I'll be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills powder in the shade Vanilla. And I work with it very quickly because I don't want to white cast and just like one dead on spot. By the way, you guys, I don't put this all over my face, just everywhere like I applied concealer. And then for bronzer, I'll be using Marc Jacobs Tantastic. This is my go-to lately. I haven't been enjoying a ton of the bronzers in my collection lately. So for blush, I was going to use, I just picked this up from Ulta recently. This is the ColourPop blush sticks in the shade 25-8. It's super pretty. It's a cream, but now that I have my powders on, because I forgot, I won't use it. But I can definitely use it in a future video if you guys want me to. Probably shouldn't have put that over my cat scratch scab. But it's this really pretty light pink, slightly peach shade. I really want to use it. So yeah, let me know if you guys want to see this in a video, but I forgot, so now I can't. So instead, I'm going to use the Peachy Love Blush Trio by Anastasia and just mix them all, honestly. And apply that on my apples. I know I'm putting a lot on, don't judge me. I'm blush obsessed right now and I love taking it up into my temples. And again, pushing it into my hairline like I do with my bronzer. Before I forget, I'm going to fill in my brows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Dark Brown. Just going to use upward strokes. And fill in the sparse areas. And I'm just going in right under where I have had them carved out with that base and just filling in my natural shape. Then I'm going to set my brows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. You guys know this is my favorite. Then I'm going to set my face using the Morphe and Jeffree Star Continuous Setting Mist. Just to melt everything together. And for highlight, I'll be using MAC's Whisper of Guilt. My lower lash line, I'm just going to be picking up that yellow shade again. And then I'll be taking that orange about halfway to the center of my eye. And with this one, since it is pigmented and a little bit of a darker shade, I'm patting and kind of doing sweeping motions. That way I don't get any fallout on my under eye. And then with that same brush, I'm just going to melt everything together. So you can't tell where one color starts and one color ends. And lastly for lips, going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in the shade Vamp. Okay you guys, and that completes this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget before you leave to give this video a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified every time that I upload so you never miss an upload. I love you guys so much and I hope you have a great rest of your week. Mwah.